Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the KF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Zesco 0. I'm joined by Chaka Parks.
Tibos, I'm a friend at home. My brother, thank you to inviting us. Go to the studio, Sheka, Sbuge, Amakos Visas, Zesco. And that when I bring back my memory, I was taught Izanako, no. Menangangi Bugere Izanako. Zambia, not Zesco.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, because we was the champions. But anyway, let's give a credit for Kaizer Chiefs Football Club.
Sure.
When you go all out away from home, is only one plan to win a game of which they are trying to be simple for one.
Sure.
Win away from home, they give up that's moral. It's a booster. Even away between Premier League. Makona into it win. Masen buyandlala no niyaposteka nibena that confidence. Yeah, a game yakona. Although what I saw is absent ga Ox ngiyibonile mina ngiwana. I don't know abanye abantu besibukele nabo bayibonile absent ga Ox ukuthi umthetho ngongabikho kwakhe ku midfield ekubonakale le Izasco kuyiyona edlala ukudlula iShips ku midfield iyona bekade win ibhola now and then of which abafowethu bebenikezwe iplatform lokuthi abapheke lapha ku midfield weShips somehow I don't know mhlambe bebesaba yini but kuyafunakala ukuthi umdlali wasesiswini ube nesikhathi sokuhold ibhola ube nesikhathi sokuthi iroom lakho uyal exercise ukuthi phasa kanjani uphaka kanjani ukuze even nama strikers wakho abe navava form. That's why ngibone le team igcina now and then iwina ibhola in center and then yabukeka second half ifuna ukuba dangerous kanti was not dangerous. That team I think bephuwa kakhulu ukudlula wonke ama team engawabukela. Lena ke team le ibephuwa but I second half igcine iShips sobona ba their players praying to where igame ayiphele ngoku sisalid so that absent ka Ox uNyambosi umthetho ibonakalele on my eyes. I don't know komunye umuntu ukuthi ibhola libuka kanjani. Ngithi njengasidlala ibhola thina ngenhlanhla Tibos silabalandeli abasadlala namanje ibhola asisupport once ubona uJwache complainer ngomdlalo ukuthi akasinikezi that vavavum player should be understand ukuthi uJwache ukhuluma from their experience. But there's a few supporters support ibhola bengadlalanga the rest yabo kumanje nje thina ama-branches sihleli sidlala. Busy sidlala. Anyway ake ngithi ngoba I know ukhila wale Khosi ujabulile amakhosi awinile and then we have to celebrate iwin ye team yakho because it's your favorite. But ngizwe mangibuka la kuma-friends wethu ngabuka kuma-social network kuma-Facebook nakubo TikTok I think kuneculo ongathi ukhila ubelicula angani ubelicula nobe ne-message abenayo in-party Khila wale Khosi my friend let me invite you ukuthi siyacela manje uze lapha behind the polls uzosifundisa leculo lakho likantombi kayise. I try to say ngifuna ukulicula leculo likantombukayise mar somehow liyangibhayizisa man. I think linita yena principal. Yeah, linita yena principal man. Kila walikosi. Feel free mngani wami, I invite you come to Beyond the Poles. Uzosifundisa leculo likantombukayise. Yeah, ukuthi senza ama backings. Maybe kuzoba impela enye hit enzima kakhulu mngani please man. Because mina angisathe ngithi ngiyazama ukuthi ngiyihlanganisa le ngoma kantombukayise no somehow ngiyabona she bonga silona iculo lami lelo kuthiwa line owner and then i-owner uKhila Walikhozi ngilibonile nje ukukhulunywa ngalo la kuma social network. Please man Khila konje sihlalane neTipos next week.
Yes.
If you are available, please leave your eyes at home or give your wife must go and sell your eyes. And then come and join Tina lapha emahlanye and Beyond the Poles. Come and teach us that song kantombukayise.
Esikotini.
Yeah, esikotini. Yeah. Ukhila simfuni kwenye ndawo maze sifundisa leculo. Ngibona esikotini mfowethu kwenze ba. Uyazi ngoma esikotini utivuma kanjani. Yeah, la culo lakho Khila kantombukayise my friend. Come and teach us please. Anyway, ngibuyela lana kwi Man of the Match yami ngiyibonile. Tipos asuhleka uKhila Walikhozi kunenko ukompose ngoma wabanjani Tipos wabanjani uyahleka futhi ngicela uKhila ukuthi asijoin azosifundisa leculo esikotini futhi angamane eyakuwo wonke amakhona mhlamba la amanye amakhona azothatha azodileya ukunderstand nokupick up ukuthi lo ntombukayise wathi mina my friend akuthina ingoma sifundiswa manje vele singene kuyona manje. That's why ngim-invite Beyond the Poles ukwenza ukuthi azosithisha le ngoma sizoshaya le number kantombukayise ngoba yena i-owner yale number. Please Khila man, don't fear, come my friend uzothisha thina le ngoma sifuna ukuyishaya impela kube ngoma yonyaka le ngoba ikompose wena Khila Walikhozi mfowethu. Peterson udlale irole enkulu kakhulu wakho.
Man of the Match yakho.
Uyabona uPeterson ugoalkeeper lo ukuthi ke uPeterson nokuthi adla nePirates somehow. Yazi makuvimba uvuma siba mnandi ayikhosi siyasebenza. Kodwa makuvimbe lo Peterson ukuze kuba abe stubborn mangabe sidlala idabi. Today irole yakhe uyidlalile yabamnandi. I think naye ukope that guy Shipez's style ukuthi isimo masesiso team is a left right ungasazi ubenza njani. Ugoalkeeper ayisebenzisa that experience to take your time and relax. Ukhona lapho ebhayise khona lesa striker Sazasko ebongazi ukuthi simlimazile kanti cha as experience goalkeeper ubona it lo angimfakela amehlo ku ref so that u ref azabona ngathi it's a big accident and unfortunately wenza umsebenzi wakhe. Well done Peterson ugoalkeeper wenza kanje. Awulwanga nama defender wakho uyaba quiet wenza umsebenzi wakho. Thank you very much.
Thank you chairman.
All.
Thank you chairman. Ngiyamwarela